Back to my channel. I feel like I haven't seen you guys in forever. Matter of fact, I feel like you guys haven't seen me in forever on YouTube anyways, because I know you guys are keeping up with me on my social media, my Instagram. So shout out to you guys, I love you. But yeah, so today guys, there's a reason why I look like a hot mess right now. No makeup, hair is a mess. I'm like literally just dressed, but everything else is a mess. But I am going to be doing a get ready with me / review on the new Ttdeye contact lens company. I know you guys probably heard of them. They're all over Instagram and social media. They have amazing shades of colors. I actually had a pair from them a while back, but they're in the trash now. I already outworn them. I don't even remember what the name of them were. I think they were like a green color. I just know that they were like green. I just don't remember the specific name, but I do have 2 pairs that I'm gonna try on for you guys because they were nice enough to send me 2 pairs. And also you guys, there's a discount code you guys can use to get 10% off. I'm gonna link it down below. The code is CassieM. I'll have it right here somewhere. I'll probably have it like over here or like somewhere on the screen, and I'll also have a link on the discount code and where you can get them down below, and I'll have their Instagram and all of that good stuff down below. So you guys get 10% off. Remember, the discount code is CassieM. If you guys want to get ready with me and check out these contacts, then please keep watching. Okay guys, so before we get into the video, I just decided that I was gonna do a speed through of the get ready with me, because this is not actually a get ready with me tutorial. Comment down below if you guys would like a specific tutorial with me talking in the video, or voiceover, or explaining the steps and the products that I'm using. I haven't done one of those in a while, but comment down below if that's something you guys are interested in or would like to see. So I think for this video, I'm just gonna get ready and kind of speed it up and just play some music, and then we'll hop into the review. guys, so I'm done with my makeup. I fixed my hair a little bit. Still looks like a little bit crappy, but for the most part it's fixed. Now I'm about to get into the review of the contacts. Like I said, my eyes are really sensitive. Every time I try on contacts, my eyes fucking water. And I realized through like the first half of this video that I usually do the base of my makeup, and then I don't do my eyes, and then I put the contacts on and then do my eyes and my lashes and my liner. But it was already too late when I started to think about it. So I already did my eyes, my eyeliner, and like I said, I have sensitive eyes, so when I wear contacts and I put contacts on, my eyes water. So I got some Q-tips on deck, and I'm gonna try my best to like catch any tears or anything like that so it's not running down. And yeah, I'm actually gonna be trying 2 pairs of contacts on, so we'll see how this goes, because your girl can't handle it. I can't show you guys the adjust, but you know. All right, so we're gonna open it up, and like I said, I'm gonna link down below the video that I did do for the same company a while back. The packaging looks the same so far, so it's Ttdeye. Seeing different, but of course the contact lens looks like this, and the back looks like this. And I believe you open it up just like that. So when you open it up, so they gave me 2 cases, obviously, because I got 2 pairs. So, oh, and they gave me 2 of the little sparkly things. I could see them right there. So I already have the yellow one. Like I said, I'll link all that down below. I forgot what colors that I got, so I'm so excited. I think I got like a brown and a green, or a gray, or a blue. I don't know. 2 of these, and I might as well open them now since I'm gonna be trying both on. I want to have something to put them in, and it comes with a little like thing to pick them up. The first one that I got did not come with that thing to pick them up, and I think that that's really going to come in handy because sometimes you can't get it out the water, and then the solution, and when you add new solution and you clean them, you literally dip your hands back in there, and you're getting germs. So I think that this little thing right here is like, it's really gonna come in handy. And it says Ttdeye on it, Ttdeye, like loose glitter. I already have this yellow one, and I tried to do eyeshadow with this yellow one, and I honestly didn't like it, but I'm gonna do some research and like figure out how to incorporate these in my makeup routine or in my beauty routine, and I definitely would do a video on that because I want to play around with those. Those are like fun, bright colors. It reminds me of like, it gives me like Coachella vibes. So yeah, look, this is how the packaging, oh hi, look. This is how the packaging looks. Okay, so one of them, I got brown polar lights. So I did get a brown one, like a hazel color. It's right there, and it says polar lights. But this one doesn't say anything. So I forgot what the second one is, but it comes with like, so that's the way it looks. Their packaging is so cute. Like, look at this. So there's like these little like animals on the back. That's really cute. And then it's like animal packaging. And then the mirror. I love their little packaging. Now I have 2 mirrors. These are cute. So the tattoos that came in my other one were like lips. And these are hearts. And I think I'm gonna put one on. Where should I put it, you guys? In what color? I think I'm gonna do, since I have like red on and green, does this green match? I think I'm gonna just put like a red one, and I'll put it like maybe right here, or should I put it on my face? Should I be dramatic and put it on my face? Like put 2 red? No. All right, I don't know, we'll figure that out. So it's a little envelope like this. It's so cute. Look at this little envelope. And it says, I wish you a happy time, especially for you. So it's a little card. And it's like, this is, like I said, an unboxing review, so I'm showing you guys all the packaging and things like that. So like I said, it says I got a discount code, obviously 10% off. The discount code is CassieM. I had it in the beginning of the video, and I'm going to put it here again Cassie M, all lowercase, 10% off, you guys. I'm gonna link everything down below where you can get them and all that good stuff. I'm gonna link their Instagram and their social media down below, and make sure that you guys, if you go to their Instagram, they have a link in their bio, and that's where you can purchase these contacts. They have a lot of amazing colors, you guys. Like, I remember like looking at their contacts in the past when it was like all over Instagram. I mean, it's still all over Instagram, everybody uses them. I didn't get my hands on them soon enough. Then when I got my first pair, I was like, oh my god, I have to get more. So I'm just so happy that I have two more pairs now. Now we are gonna try them. I decided to put the tattoos to use, and I just put 2 little hearts right here on my cheek. They have like full red ones, green ones, blue ones, and then the open ones like this. And I thought this was really cute, so I just put 2 of them. And I just set everything up. So the first pair that I'm gonna try on, I did get the Polar Light Grays. So this is how they look in the package. I don't know if you guys can see. Hold on, see you guys. So I will be trying these on off camera, and then I'll show you guys the results, just because I don't know if I'm gonna be struggling to put them in, and I'm gonna be trying to, like, you know, not mess my makeup up. But I'm gonna try these on, and I'll be right back and show you guys how they look. Okay guys, so this is the first pair. If you hear something right here, I'm sorry, it's my brother. And I actually told you guys that this was called Polar Lights Gray, but it's actually called Real Crystle, and it actually has a hint of blue and gray if you look like really closely. I actually love this color. I thought it was gonna come off more as of a gray. Yeah, so these are super cute. I love these. I can't wait to try on the next ones. I wanted to try these first on because I think the next ones are gonna be my favorite because they're like a light brown. And fun fact, I used to always wear hazel contacts in middle school. So yeah, I'm just like excited to try these on. If I like these better, I'm just gonna put these back on. But let me tell you, it was a struggle getting these on. All props to Ttdeye because they sent this baby right here, and as I mentioned, you guys, it comes with like a thing to pick them up, and then this thing, which I didn't know what this was at first. And then I put 2 and 2 together when I was struggling putting these contacts on, and I'm not still positive if this is what it's for, but I think it's for, you put the contact on there and you put it in your eye, and it actually is wonderful. Like, it's so good. So I hope I don't lose these. I have 2 of them, so I hope I don't lose them. For solution, I'll like dip it in the solution like that and just kind of like clean it off, and then make sure there's like nothing on it. And then when it's clean, I just put contact on it and then put it in my eye. And you know what? I think it's time for a thumbnail. This is how the Polar Light Grays look. They look like this. So they're a lot more like hazily, like a light brown. And like I said, I think these might be my favorite. So this is why I wanted to try these on second. So I'll be right back. Okay guys, so this is the second pair, the Polar Light Brown. I thought these were gonna be a little bit more lighter. So they're very, very pretty. But for me, I would just wish that they were lighter. So definitely the first pair is my favorite. I thought these were gonna be my favorite, but I do love both of them. Like I said, these are like, they look lighter than on camera. Yeah, I'm really obsessed with this company, and I'm gonna continue to use their lenses. You guys should try them. They're really comfortable. They're easy to apply when you use that little stencil thing that I showed you. So like I said, you guys, make sure you guys get you a pair. They're so beautiful. I love them. And like I said, I'm gonna continue wearing their contacts. I'm gonna go put the other ones on actually, because it kind of goes with my vibe today, you know, everything dramatic right now. So in the comments, you guys, let me know what you guys want to see from me next. Make sure you're following all of my social medias. I'll have them linked down below. And make sure you subscribe if you haven't already. I don't know why I didn't say that in the beginning of my video. I usually say that in the beginning. Everything is like ass backwards, like literally. So guys, that does it for this unboxing. I just want to thank the company for sending me this discount code for you guys. I need you guys to comment down below what videos you guys want to see from me next. And comment down below if you're gonna buy you a pair, what color are you guys gonna buy. Make sure you guys tag me on Instagram if you do buy a pair, and don't forget to tag Ttdeye as well. I'm gonna link everything down below, their Instagram, where you can buy them. All that good stuff is gonna be down below. And like I said, the discount code will be down below, Cassie M, all lowercase. So yeah, if you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up. Make sure you hit the bell above and turn your post notifications on so you're notified every time I upload a new video. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye, guys.